Assalamu alaikum dear friends, guys, welcome back to Digital Shahzadi channel. And you are watching this channel from you don't know how much you have subscribed me. So let's talk about that coins that gave you, I think so, 156x in this video. So we are back with some news, some altcoins that you must buy. We are gonna take a look at the three old coins that give you a huge potential. If you guys enjoy the content, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for the more, and check out my other videos for the tutorial for the beginners and other stuff like in my Digital Shahzadi channel. If you like it, subscribe it. If you enjoy anyway, let's move to the market. And we are seeing the 3 4 perfect down around. The market is at 1.8 trillion, and the Bitcoin just hit the $28,000. And we are seeing that the market is normally, or we are seeing that the market are usually at the sideways, because the Bitcoin is not even the dumping, or the Bitcoin is not even the pumping. So the market is a kind of the sideways movement, and you see a lot of time seeing some nice growth from the altcoin. So let's take a look for the first coin today. As you guys know, these coins give you a much kind of a profit. I'm talking about the coin that you guys must be in your portfolio is the next topic. So guys, if you are new on my channel, it's Digital Shahzadi channel, and in this channel I'll discuss about some coins, some news, some updated about the crypto news. So go to the link description, join my Telegram channel for the free earn to free learn, and like, subscribe my channel. Moving towards the coin and the update, I am talking about the coin is the solar coin. This is the coin that you must have in your portfolio, and you guys may have heard about the XXP before a stripe. However, solar, you can say that the solar is a kind of a new on Binance, right? So we have a look at we took around the Binance will support the swap from the old SSP tokens to the new XXP mainnet coin, whereas you can read all about its solar network, its new name going forward. And it's around, I think so, it's around you can say it's around 70, it's around the $70 right now. And we are seeing that the solar, 70 cents coin. So really do much analysis, or there is something different. So you guys really know about that coin. This coins give you a ton of a big profit. This coin is so much having the potential to do a good work. When we talk about its I think so, when we talk about its solar network structures, so you can see right over here a few things to share as well. It's really a native token of the solar network XRP thing, causing a frenzy in the cryptocurrency world, and a dropping performance over the 7 days. Now the reason behind the surge is, I was just saying, kick off this bullish really thanks of a game-changing move by the solar network, which is announced on the Twitter according to a big blog post. So a brand new block explorer called the Solar Scan, which promises to revolutionize the way, or Solar Core to 5.0, their newly designed wallet. And this you can actually have a major play role in the South Korea. You always say South Korea do actually really contribute to the crypto, and the solar network major player in the South Korea crypto market. So it's I think so, it's a really a major player. And you guys know the South Korea do actually they contribute to a quite of the lot of the volume as well. So XXP does look like it gonna some big potential. However, I know it's confusing a lot of the people about XXP being swiped, and a lot of the people getting confused as to what that means. if you can see, it is on the Binance portfolio number, I think so, 10. I think so. So this XXP on Binance obviously back it. They believe it, and therefore I think that's probably quite a good bit for the coin to do in the future. So it's really a big portfolio for the other things too. So the next coin I gonna discuss about this is the, before moving towards the next coin, I'm just wanna say that it's not the financial advice. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. You must check your knowledge, your opinion, then you have to invest, or you have to take the profit or the loss, whatever you are gonna do it. So the moving towards the next coin I'm talking about is, you have guys have heard so many times about the airdrop. You guys remember this was an airdrop recently, and make sure guys you check your eligibility, because they are still issuing some. It's currently around 1.21, and in terms of the traded in major exchanges, and you can see a market cap around, you can say the market cap is ranked around 39, and market cap is I think around about 1.5 billion. So limited compared to the some smaller old coins. However, the top coins usually have a better growth potential in terms of their security. So Arbitrum is on top 1000 altcoin that could give 100x. However, you rather bet on that as a possibility to rather bet or something. It's a bit more sustainable. It's a good project. You must go for it because of the airdrop that came out recently. You know, it's very difficult to again say whether it's gonna go based or what I say, because it has some black backlash recently with the Arbitrum Foundation. You have seen, and some proposal that they had made, issue a new governance proposal now based on this original plan. Actually, had proposed designed around, I think so 750 million ARB tokens as grant to the foundation, which caused this controversy. So the kind of the work reworking this proposal out dry, and the governance documents for the other ecosystem, lowering the threshold for our tokens required. So to the Arbitrum improvement, and you can say interestingly, obviously listening to the community is a good sign that sometimes the coin doesn't listen to their community, so that can backlash on them. So Arbitrum is also a good coin that you must buy. Moving towards the next coin, the next coin is the old coin, and you most guys know about that coin. That coin is the Ethereum. You know about the Ethereum? Ethereum, all know, the son of the Bitcoin, the daughter of the Bitcoin. You can say that the second largest coin, the rank number 2, the Ethereum coin. So the Ethereum coin is around $18,000 something, around about in the previous days. It's right now around 1876. On the other days, opens pretty much yesterday. It is a kind of the 1920 to 1930. So definitely it's still a growing, which is a great to see. Ethereum is at the end of the day, it's a number 2 their currency that I have already told a lot of the Ethereum, one of the biggest bets in my other portfolio. Sorry. So it's a cryptocurrency alongside the Bitcoin. It's got the first mover advantage. Therefore, the people are always going to respect in that sense. They are going to take a look. So moving towards the 5 cryptocurrencies, a lot of the people time where they go their money. So Ethereum, have given the 7-month high. You can say that the 7th month high peak point they have given. High of around $5,000. I seen further that let's think maybe about the Ethereum has an health rising at the 7-month high. After the Shanghai and the Kapala upgrades, of course, they are coming very soon, and that's going to be very really cool. This affect the price. However, you can say to buy a room or to sell the news. So who knows if actually upgrades coming out will affect the price in a positive way. May this pump already at the kind of the scene, the extent to will Ethereum is going, or Ethereum's Shanghai upgrade will help later to networks crypto investors. Says so again, it's very interesting to see. I think this Ethereum will gives you a lot too in the bull run. Well, really, So these all three coins are the old coins that you are enjoying after buying, and you will get, I think, so 150x kind of a thing. So that's really much appreciated. You will appreciate me after, hopefully. So market right now are now the three coin old coins, and you will enjoy that coins. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section. I want to discuss one thing about that. I really made the videos, and your comments are really much appreciated. In fact, only the one comment that I want to discuss it in my video, that in last video, only the one person that commented me that well done, keep it up. So please, your videos are good. So that gave me a little kind of a motivation, a great motivation for me. So if you are liking my videos, hit the subscribe button, like my videos, share it to your colleagues. I want to catch you in the next video, guys. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.